Hi, in this video I wanted to show you drip integration. So to integrate any email service provider or CRM system, go into lead collection, admin lead collection. I'm going to click drip. I'm going to give this leads hook drip and set connection, and will be transferred over to drip. And I'm just going to quickly enter my drip login and password. So I'm going to pause the video and I'll show you what happens next. Okay, so as soon as you log in, you'll get this page that says you want to grant access to LeadsHook. It's requesting access to read and write to your drip account. Click authorize, and you'll get taken over back to the page here. Just want a quick note: we don't actually read anything from your account. We're only putting data into your drip account. Though the API allows both ways, we don't actually, because there's no need for us to grab any data from your account, so we don't. Okay, so it's only a one-way integration that we've created. Now it's basically a matter of just making sure your field mapping's done, so be sure to click the map fields button, and if you pick the default, because drip does not have the concept of lists, everybody goes into the same place. If you click that, just bear with me while it's running through. It's accessing with the API to all the custom fields that we have created inside drip, and then you can do your field mapping thereafter. So just bear with me while this loads up. I think I'll pause the video while it does that. Normally it doesn't take that long, but it all depends on how busy the API is. Okay, so I'm going to wait. I think I'll pause the video. Okay, so it loaded up all the fields that currently exist in drip, and as you may already know by now, the way to do field mapping is you just put email where the email is, you put results where results is, and vice versa. Okay, so if any field you've created at in drip will appear here. To map it to a leads hook field is just drag and drop, and that maps it. Okay, now if there are fields that you've created in LeadsHook that you would like created in drip, then it's the same as every other ESP. I'm going to just click these three. So I want to create these three fields in, I hope they're not created. No, I don't think so. Let me just have a quick look to make sure that they're not existing fields. And no, they're not. Delphin 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. You can see there's quite a few fields here. It's because we have unlimited fields in LeadsHook. Oops. Alright, so I'm going to scroll down. I've created those, click those three. To create the fields, click auto create. You can add prefix as well. So if I'm going to go, then it'll add, let's just say I'm going to SAS. Just going to put SAS in front of those field names. We're not going to do that. If I create auto create, it'll log into drip and create those fields for us, and also automatically map them for us. Okay, so you can see here, there you go, the fields have been created and mapped. Okay, so that's field mapping done. Once you've done that, please scroll right to the bottom. In your case, probably won't be much of a bottom because I doubt you'll have these many fields created. And press save, and that saves it. Okay, now the field mapping's done, which means whenever you pass any data through to that field, that automatically LeadsHook will transfer it through to your through to drip. Now, in order to add a decision node, it's pretty simple. There you go, drip's available right there. Click it to the bottom, drag and drop. Yes, I only have one drip account, and obviously there's only one list. And that's it. Once I've saved it, if I drag and drop it this way, it'll automatically transfer all the data through to this drip account, and to obviously into the list called default, because there's only one list at drip. You know also that drip works on tags, so be sure to have your tags set up properly. So if you have any tags set up over here, so this is me and my, these tags, both of these tags, if someone selects this answer, then these tags will get passed over through to drip, and that way it's taken care of. Now the good thing about our um, about the API connections that we provide is that the transfer of leads occurs within 60 seconds in most cases. We are that's how our direct integrations work. We are adding in Zapier really soon, and I'll create a video for you once that's done. Thank you, and bye for now.